Hi, Kari Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate. Today on Tour Tuesday, we are going to look at some new homes being built in Oakley and in Brentwood. And if you know anybody that is looking for a new home, make sure you tag them and share this video with them. Let's go check them out. There's many new communities being built in East Contra Costa County. If you're considering buying a new home, it's really important that you talk to a real estate agent before you go look at any of the new homes that are available. If you go and look at a new home and you're not registered, then your real estate agent will be unable to help negotiate the contract and any upgrades on your behalf. The first place we're going to is Duarte Ranch Estates. It's on the corner of Ruby Hill and Barn Dance Way. Today we're going to look at 3 of the 5 models. This first home is a single story, 2224 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It does have an open concept kitchen, family room area. It's got a really nice center island that you can actually eat at, room for a kitchen table, and it all overlooks the family room. It's a really good sized master bedroom. It's got a tub separate from the shower, large closet. The next model is a 2-story. It's 2753 square feet. It could be 4 or 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths. It has an optional loft in lieu of the 5th bedroom. It opens up to a formal dining room, and then the family room, and then it has a great kitchen family room combo, room for a kitchen table with seating around the island. This one shows upgraded cabinets with glass doors. The last home from this builder that we'll be looking at is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story. This one is 2348 square feet. It opens up to a formal living area with a really nice staircase. Also has a family room kitchen combo with an area to eat in. They did some really cool tile work in this master, both on the floor as well as in the shower. Another place I wanted to show you is in Brentwood, and it's on the corner of Brentwood Boulevard and Havenwood Court. Single family homes as well as townhomes. So this is a 4 or 5 bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home, and is 2510 square feet. It has a formal dining room and family room as soon as you walk in. And then it opens up to a kitchen family room combo. Upstairs, this one has a really nice loft, the master bedroom, and into the master bathroom with a separate tub and shower, double sinks. I don't know if you could tell, but this countertop has glitter on it, which is an upgrade that they offer. Upstairs laundry room. These homes do have a homeowners association. That's it for today's Tour Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed looking at these beautiful model homes. Of course, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home, we would love to help you out. Go to crossgrouphomes.com. You could always call us direct at 925-584-1640. And we look forward to seeing you on the next Tour Tuesday. Bye.